Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Rodix brand compressed air duster. This is a cordless and portable and hopefully very powerful. It says it's going to be really powerful air duster to clean out your keyboard or any really hard to reach crevices and spaces like that. So we're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, and of course demonstrate it, and then let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so let's get this out of the box. First thing you'll see is the user manual. I always recommend you read that. Looks like a USB-C adapter here. There are a couple pieces to put onto the edge of this. One is just a straight blower. The other one has a little bit of a brush, which is always nice. Some more adapter pieces. This looks like a very small little crevice area brush or attachment, but again, multiple different sizes here to work with. Nice bag to store it all in, which is really nice. Comes in its own bag. All right, and so we have our tool here. So first things first, it does look like there's some tape holding this on to kind of block, so I'm going to remove that. So there was like a little plastic cover that was going over that is now gone. This looks like it'll be our indicator light. There it is. So we push up, turn it on, and as you can see, you have your lights, and there's a tremendous amount of force already. And I like that it has a light, so that's a really nice feature. Gives you the model, battery specs, all that. So not quite sure what that button is yet. That's why we're going to read our instructions. It does come relatively good charge. I'm going to make sure we're fully charged because I do like to have it. So intuitive enough, it's just a button for power, like strength of airflow. So again, recommending that you check out your user manual. It will probably tell you that exactly. Again, you have your charge indicator, your gear adjustment, which is just going to be the levels in which you do it. And then we have a blow nozzle, a swimming ring blow nozzle, vacuum bag nozzle, brush blow nozzle, airbed blow nozzle. So all these are just simply adjustments or adjustable pieces that you can use to inflate things, which is really nice, again, to have something like this as an inflatable. Primarily for me, I'm going to be using it as a blow nozzle. So when I want to get something clean, I'm going to just put that on. I'll be using this on my keyboard just to kind of clear things out, and then turning it on. Your USB-C charger is right there, so let's demonstrate the blow. All right, so if you're like me, you've probably got some crevices in your doors where you've got a bunch of junk in it. That's my issue, so I'm going to go ahead and so I don't know if you can tell. So that is. It is literally shooting stuff over, and now, as you can probably see, it's all over the place, just because it's so powerful. So really nice to get into the crevices. And again, we're going to just go ahead and fire this up so we can see exactly how much we can get out. So again, as you can see, there's a tremendous amount that has come out, and it's a much cleaner crevice. Certainly not perfect by any stretch, but I'm not sure if this really did it justice as far as visually. I'm gonna have to do a lot of vacuuming around my area right now because I got so much dirt out. But to me, this thing's absolutely fantastic. So really very enjoyable the way it did that. The cleanup's going to be a pain in the neck, but that's the whole idea, is to get into the spots where you need cleanup. So ton of value to me. Hopefully you found some as well. Thanks for watching.